Hey guys, welcome back to Sudoku Maniacs. So today we are going to have a look at the fourth puzzle in the Notify series, which is the Notify Renban. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Sudokus and the videos on this Notify series. And this one is really tricky and one of the best of the lot. So rules of a normal Renban Sudoku apply. That is, the digit cannot repeat in any row, column, or a 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we see few shapes that have been marked in gray. Now, what it means is the digits in those gray shapes will be a set of consecutive digits, but not necessarily in order. So, for example, when I have a set for these three cells that are there, they can be any three numbers as long as they're consecutive. So, they could be 4, 5, 6, but not necessarily in order. It can be in any random order. But since this is the Naughty 5 series, obviously the 5 has to play a party pooper, right? So in exactly one of these regions, the digit 5 will not be present, meaning that the digit 5 is required to complete the Renban series, but it will be missing and will be replaced by some different digit. Now, in the earlier versions, we were seeing that the digit 5 was replacing a digit, but in this one, the 5 itself is getting replaced. Now, in which of these shapes it's getting replaced is something that we need to find out, and that will be part of our solving. So, shall we begin? Now, normally in Renban or in a sequence Sudoku where the digits are in order, what we have to be aware of is whenever there is a chain or a region of more than 5 cells, at least a minimum of 5 cells, then the digit 5 is actually required in that, because the chain of the least numbers would be 1 to 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the maximum or the highest chain possible would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in both these chains, the only common digit is a 5, right? So irrespective of which set of consecutive digits form the chain of 5 digits, the digit 5 will always be present. Alright? So, and we also have to remember that we need to first identify where the digit 5 will be missing. So let's begin. Now, the moment I see a chain of 3 cells here, now it could be 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth till 7, 8, 9. But when I look at the positioning of the digits here, 9 and 7 are already there in the box, right? So I know for sure the digit 8 cannot be on the line, right? Because with 8 I can have 6, 7, 8 or 7, 8, 9, but both of them are not possible. Similarly, the 3 is already given in the column, which means the digit 1 and 2 will again not be possible on those lines, because 3 a set of 3 digits consecutive to each other which has 1 and 2 will definitely include a 3. But since 3 cannot be placed there, we know for sure the 1 and also 2 cannot be there. So 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3 are ruled out. The three options here would be 4, 5, 6. But that would be in case of a normal Renban. But assuming that 5 is missing from this Renban and this is the odd one out, I can have a different number there, correct? In place of a 5. So even though the 5 may move out, what it means is the digits 4 and 6 will still be on these lines. Because remember, it's only the 5 that is getting replaced by a different digit in one of the Renban series. The other digits are still present in that consecutive chain. So for me, for now I'll just remove the 5 because I don't know whether it will be there or this would be the liar one, but the 4 and 6 will definitely be part of this 3 cell, right? Which means 6, 6. The 6 will be one of these two. And I have a 1 and a 1, which means 1 is here. Correct? And looks like we have actually stumbled upon the liar Renban in this. I'll give you a few seconds to see if we are thinking on the same lines. I'll pause for 5 seconds and then I'll explain what I mean by that. Alright? If you got what I was thinking, congratulations. You are definitely improving on your solving skills. Let's look at the plus sign in box 9. It has both the digits 1 and 6. And the number of cells covered by the region are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now if 1 is part of a Renban series, there's only one set of 5 consecutive digits that will satisfy. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Correct? But we see that even the 6 has been placed in this Renban region. Correct? Which means either the series could have been 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or it could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Of which the 5 has been replaced by either 1 or 6, whichever way we look at it. So I know for sure this 3 cannot be here. So this series will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Sorry. 1 and 4 will not be here. 2, 3, 4 and 6. So you got what I was trying to do there? Because one digit has to replace the 5 in that Nazi. So I guess we stumbled upon the breakthrough quite early in this, but that does not mean it's a straightforward solve. And since this is the liar Renban, this has to be a correct Renban. So the digit 5 will definitely be there as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, 5, 8 and 9. So this will be 5, 8, 5, 8, 9. So 5 will not be there. So this has to be an 8, 9 because the 5 is locked here, right? So this would be my 5. Correct? Now, since all these other Renban regions have to have a 5, correct? 5 cannot be here. It will be in these two, but I have a 5 locked here, so this would be a 5. 5 cannot be in these 4, so this is my 5. I can eliminate it from there. 5 cannot be here, so the 5 is part of this. Sorry, and that would be a 4, 6. So this would be a 5. Now, what is 2, 2? This would be a 2. So the missing digits are 1, 3 and 8. Now, I got a 2, okay. Now, okay. 1 cannot be in this, cannot be in this. 1 is in this, so the 1 has to be here, and this would be my 3, 8. Now, in this plus, I need 5 numbers. 1 and 2 are not possible, 9 is not possible. That leaves us with 6 digits, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Correct? Which means either it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Which means the central digits 4, 5, 6 and 7 will definitely be on the Renban region with either 3 or 8 forming the complete set. Correct? So 6 cannot be in this. So this will be my pair of 5, 6. That becomes a 4 and a 6. 4 and 7 again. So this would be a 4 7, and that leaves me with a 3 8, 3 8, and a 3 8 with a 1. Correct? Now again I got a triplet of 3 8, 1 3 8, sorry. So 4 7. I got a 4 here, right? So that's my 7. And that's a 4, that's a 7 again. So with 7, it can be 7 8 9 or 6 7 8. Because 5 6 7 is not possible, we got the 5 here. So if this were a 7 8 9, I have a 9 here. So this would be an 8, this would be a 9. But if it was a 7 6 and 8, 6 is locked here. So this would be an 8 and this would be a 6. Alright, 3 8 8 9, and this would be 3 8 9. 1 3 4 7 would be logged in this 8 9 1 2 4. Okay, we got the 4. Let's remove this. So this is 1 2 1 2 7 1 2 7 1 2 7. Now how does that 7 help us? Okay. Oh yes, let's have a look at this Renban shape. Now assuming it was on the higher chain, that is it had incremental numbers more than 5. Now we know 6 and 7 cannot be here, it cannot be here, and there's only one place where 6 or 7 may be placed. But if this was a 7, correct, then there is no place on this region for the 6 that where it can be placed. Now you may ask, why am I focusing on the 7 alone? The reason I'm focusing on 7 is if this is a 7, I don't have a place for 6, which means 7 can definitely not be part of this Renban region, correct? And if 7 is excluded, then digits 8 and 9 are also automatically excluded, right? So between 1 to 6, either it can be 1 2 3 4 5, or it can be 2 3 4 5 6. And since 8 cannot be a part of this, I can safely place a 3 here. This gets out and this would become my 3, and I have 1 8 here. And if 3 and 5, then 4 also has to be part of this Renban, right? So the 4 can only be here because this 4 has eliminated it. So by classic rules, 4 4 4 has to be in these 3, but you got a 4 and a 4. So this has to be the 4. And we saw that either it is 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 2 3 4 5. 3 we got, 4 you got. So this can be 1 2 6. This can be 1 2 4, 1 2 4, and this forms a quad of 1 2 4 7. That means this has to be an 8 and a 9. Lucifer, and that makes this a 1. Oh, sorry, and that's the 8. So since we get an 8 here, this has to be a 6, and with 6 7, obviously I can't have a 9. This will be an 8. So with 3 8 gone, that's a 9, and this would be my 3 4. Lucifer, and we remember I said if there's a set of 5 consecutive digits, 5 has to be part of it. So 5 5, the only place for 5 would be here. So 1 is not part of this, which means minimum number that can be possible is 2. And if 2 is part of it, 2 3 4 5 6. So whichever way we look at it, 6 also has to be part of this Renban. So 6 cannot be here. So these are the only two places. 1 2 6. Okay, but has that helped us? No. Okay, 1 1, the 1 can be there, right? So 1 can okay, 1 in box 3 is logged in rows 2 and 3. Here again it's 2 and 3, so 1 has to be in one of these 3 cells, correct? But it can't be the central one. This will be a 1 or a 1, which means this has to be either 2 or a 6, correct? Hmm. Next. So again, 1 and 1 here. So 1 is not part of this Renban, correct? Which means 6 has to be part of it. So 6 is not here. Would place, it cannot be in these two. So 6 can only be placed here, which means obviously this cannot be a 6. So 2, 2, 2 is out. That's my 2. So that's a 7. So this would be a, oh, we got a 1 here. So that's a 4. And this becomes my 1. So this is the last digit 3 here. 1, 1, 1 is ruled out. So that's my 1. This has to be a 2, 4, 6. Now what? So 2, 2. This again becomes a 2. That's 1, 7, and 8. So that's a 7, 1, 8. Makes this an 8. And that's a 1. Again, okay. 7, 7. 7 is locked in this. And 4 cannot be here, cannot be here. So 4, 7 are 4, 5, 6, 7 are definitely there, which means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be the maximum. 9 cannot be on the Renban. So the 9 has to be part of these two, which makes 9 to be available in these for row 8. We got a 9, so this has to be a 9. Oops, that's my 9, that's a 9. That leaves me with 3, 6 here and a 3, 6 there. And the last digit here would be, oh, 2. Okay. And with 7 part of this Renban, right? So the least number possible on the Renban would be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So again, we know for sure the 2 is not part of this Renban. So 2 cannot be here. And by classic rules also, we get a 2 here. So this becomes my 9. That's a 6, 4, and a 2. So this would be 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. We have a 4, 7 here. 6 cannot be here. So okay, that's a 6. And that's a 3, 8. So that becomes a 9, 8 and a 9 here. And the last are 3, 5 with the last digit 8 here. Okay, some progress. And this would be 1 and 3. Well, we're just forming pairs. 9, 9, 9. Okay, now since 9 is part of the Renban, there's only one sequence of 5 digits, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 3 can definitely not be on the Renban, and this also helps us wrap up these. So that's 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are required. So this is a 7 and this will be an 8 and this would be my 6. 8, okay, 8, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 7. Yep, the system tells me we were right. I mean, I found this to be the best of the entire lot. You know, even though we were able to identify what do you say, the Renban region, which would not include the 5, which would be the live region. But it was not such a straightforward forward solve after that. I mean, we had to use a lot of these quadruplets, triplets, and the Renban rules to determine how the solution would be arrived at. I mean, this was really one of the best of this entire series of this Notify Sudokus. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the puzzle. If you did, like and share it with your friends, and if you want to give it a go on your own, the link to the puzzle is there in the description of the video. Go ahead, solve, let us know in the comments how you found it. And tomorrow would be the last puzzle, which would be the Notify Thermo Sudoku. So, till the next time, happy solving.